Well, that's right. Just a few days ago, the mayor said opioid use is part of the problem downtown, and public health data does show those numbers steadily climbing for King County when it comes to overdoses. Now there's a new pilot program that aims to deliver some new resources to help.
In the area Eastside Fire and Rescue serves, since January of 2020, there have been 67 fatal overdoses. Battalion Chief Greg Garat has been there to respond to the 911 calls.
With the fentanyl that's getting mixed into the drugs, you never know what you're going to get.
At a Friday news conference about crime in downtown Seattle, Frank Tarantino said drugs are fueling the problem.
Drug trafficking and gun violence are directly linked.
He's the special agent in charge of the Drug Enforcement Administration Seattle Field Division and says last year they seized enough pure fentanyl to kill every person in Washington state.
We will continue to work with our law enforcement partners to reduce the drug-related violence.
At Eastside Fire and Rescue,
the data tells a story.
Jamie Formazano says they've been paying attention as King County's numbers move in an alarming direction.
King County Public Health brought this program to us almost a year ago because they're seeing a rise in opioid overdoses.
After partnering and planning, a new pilot program just debuted, and in 3 weeks' time, Eastside Fire and Rescue have already given out 3 of these.
It contains 2 doses of naloxone.
He says when they respond to a non-fatal overdose, they leave a kit behind.
If they've overdosed, and this brings them back out of respiratory arrest, they still need to seek medical care because those opioids are still in their system.
Here they're doing what they can to combat an epidemic, dangerous and deadly.
And people receiving the kits from Eastside Fire and Rescue will also be offered resources so they can connect with treatment and recovery programs. Live in Seattle, Natalie Swaby, King 5 News.